What up, what up? So, as promised, here we are. Got to paint a couple of bits and pieces today for the black one here behind me. So, I'm not going to sit here and explain what every bit is, but we've got a couple of bits here to do. So, stick around and let's see how good I am at spray painting something. It helps if I use the actual sandpaper side. Idiot. Now, I'm no expert, but I'm sure there'll be plenty of yous in the comments. But here's what we're doing: giving it a bit of a rub down, taking the sandpaper, giving it a good old rub so the paint sticks, man. Something like that, isn't it? Hey, getting all these nooks and crannies here. Alright, let's give these a bit of a wipe down. Here's our paint cans as well. I did say we weren't going to do a Aussie export job, but I did say semi-proper as well. So we've got some under, actual black, and then the clear mark. Alrighty, got these on the dry / paint rack. Let those dry for a bit and then we'll come back and start the painting. But for now, I need to try and fix the lights on the yellow bikes. Let's go have a look at that. And a quick oil change while we're at it. Alrighty, let those dry. The oil should be out of the yellow one now. We can top that bad boy up. Fucking talk to spec, Mark. I bought a new exhaust for this one, the black one, so now we finally have matching colour. I'll try and like just basic. There we go. What would it be looking like? Very nice. It's got the red on it too, which matches the bike. Fucking sweet. Straight fucking from hot. Alright, coat number 2, let's go. I think we're looking pretty bloody good, mate. Pretty bloody good. Still got a clear coat to go. That's alright. Give her a little wash while we're here too, mate. See how we're looking over here. Go for our third and final layer of the black. Alrighty. Fixing up this rear light because didn't have a rear tail light. The brake light worked, but no rear tail light, so I'm not sure if this is going to focus, but there is one in there that's broken. Right, new one of these. Now that's off. Alrighty, new one ready to go in. Let's go. I can move. You know they make these things called drills now? It's crazy. Cool, so done. Let's check the rest. Why is that one different? What? What? How's this magically not fit anymore? Oh. Holy shit. I wonder, I didn't even see that fucking come out. Oh my god. Least observant guy on this island. Boom, baby. I know the brake light works anyway, make sure. Yeah, lovely. What a beast, mate. What a beast. Purring, and she's nice and clear. Alrighty, second layer of clear coat. I forgot to record the first one. Which way's the wind going? Okay, I'll stay on this side. Oh, fucking hell. Oh. Might have been breathing a bit too heavy there. Whew, Christ, boys. Next thing to fix is this, because it's meant to be normal on high beam, and on low it is meant to do the strobe thing. But when it gets wet, like when I just washed it, or when it rains, this happens, unfortunately. So, plus the blinkers have been fucking up. So hopefully it's just a relay and changing that meow. Got this part off. Got the old relay out. Just gonna pop a new one in, and hopefully that fixes everything. Alrighty, so blinkers are fixed. Light sorted for now. It's a bit temperamental, but now it's not flashing constantly, so that's alright. I'll be able to get home, that's the main thing, and then order. Ended up being just this. So put in a second hand one, going to order a new one of these. We should be good. A quick test. Get it on. Around the front. Lights working. Strobey. Back to normal. There we go. Sweet. It's good enough for now. Blinkers. Left, out, right. Give it a bit of a rev. These all clear coated. Up and drying for the next couple of days, mate. 2 or 3 days. I think we're pretty much done all the work we can do for today. The stuff for spray painter for this is going to be drying, and I can put that on. I'm going to buy either just like the same color aluminium swing arm for this and spray paint that, or buy a black one if I can find it. Seems to be impossible for now. And same with these. So I can either spray paint these black, or you can buy some black ones too. I'm probably just going to buy those. Try and buy both. I'll have a look when I get home. Oh, and also this. Change this one to black as well. That'll be easy to find. Rightio, as a special little treat, I'm going to take this one for a quick little cruise. Just like literally 2 or 3 minutes. But Honda Wave as well. It's not mine. It's my mate's one. But Honda Wave, it's more modified than my yellow one. Less modified than the black one. If that makes any sense at all. For the people that missed my other video explaining everything, this one roughly, with all the modifications that it's got, its stock is a 125cc. With all the modifications and everything, it's actually about 230. I'm not kidding, right? This one over here, the blue one, is about 200. Temple here, and I don't want to be loud at the temple, so I'm just gonna turn around. Alrighty, that's going to do for the motorbike part for now. I'm going to start heading home. I've had the bright idea of stopping into that restaurant that was closed in the previous video. See what they're like, maybe get myself a burger or something. So I'll see you there. Right, here we are, Drees. Smoothies, ice matcha, shakes, cocktails, beer and more with a view. Let's go. They close at 5 as I found out yesterday. Forced me to have Indian food. Let's go. Look at this, mate. Oh. Hello. We've seen the view yesterday, it's literally the same. I'll go right here. Alright, got my seat here, got my menu. Enjoying the view, mate. Lovely, alright. These guys do an all-day brekkie. I'm not really keen on that for now. Burgers. Pork burger, bacon, beef burger, chicken fillet, shawarma wrap, vegetable wrap, tuna wrap. Meatballs, spaghetti and tomato sauce. Are you joking, mate? Then we're on to the Thai food, smoothies, milkshake. Oh, chalky milkshake done. I mean, sign me up. And oh, they've got schnitzels. Pork tenderloin, smoked ham, cheese, fried egg on top, french fries and mayonnaise. Oh, fuck it, we'll do it. We'll see how we go. Schnitzel Drees it is. And a chalky shake mark. What's that? Dutch style shawarma. But they got like fucking snack back here pretty much, but with salad. Shawarma chicken on top of french fries, iceberg lettuce, paprika, onion. What do they call it? A capsalon. Come off it. Dutch trying to come up with them American HSPs, mate. They got no idea. Just realised as well they have Coke in the glass bottles, mate. So I've got to get a glass bottle of Coke too. It's a must when you see those. I'll tell you what. Hello, can I please have the Schnitzel Drees? So have a chocolate milkshake, and I'll also have a Coca-Cola. Yeah, perfect. All right, thank you very much. The best. Just rough pull the shit out of it, I don't even care. Even smells better. Oh. Honestly, what's the science behind that? How is glass bottle Coke just 10 times better than can or plastic bottle Russ? Unbelievable, Jeff. Got the Coke down and the milkshake come. It's going to be a curdle central in my bloody stomach, but oh well. I'll do it for you. Just for you only. It's alright. Alrighty, our snitty has arrived. Let's have a look at this, mate. Fucking a massive, big serving of chips too. A bit of salt and chips, mate. Alright. They air fry the schnitzel. So thin. Right. Bit of everything, you got the chicken, the ham, the cheese. Throw a bit of mayo on there, mate. Might finish this one at home too. Oh God. I've tried to get through it, but I mean it's not terrible. It's just that in Australia, one thing we're spoiled with is snitties, palmies, steak, all of it. Mwah. You can go to one of the worst rated pubs, ask for a chicken schnitzel, chicken palmy, and it's going to be fucking pretty decent. This one here, I've got paper thin schnitzel. Yeah, I'm good, coast. I'm good. Good view though. They've got a rooftop as well. Still a good place to come and maybe try something else other than this maybe, I don't know. 490 baht. Schnitzel, chalky milkshake, bottle of Coke, alcohol, really? And I did get the chicken takeaway, so that'll do. I'll grab that and I'll see you at the front. You too, cheers. Thanks, mate. All right, catch you later. Alrighty, all done. Got me a little takeaway. Let's get out of here. But that's going to do for the video. I mean, a little bit of stuff with the motorbikes. I know some people don't like that, but some people do, and it's my channel, so fuck off. It was good to do something like that. I actually enjoy doing stuff about the bikes, but look, that's going to do for now. Some bikes, bit of a feed. Now we've checked out both of these places. Not bad. That's going to do. I appreciate you watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. See ya.